Thank you all. So I am gonna be making this horse veggie. I'm gonna be making sauce with this. You can see it's very long, so I am gonna be making sauce with this horse veggie, and I am gonna be making with eggs. You can see the egg, and we have tomatoes. Just gonna have some of it. We have all those habanero pepper. I'm gonna add some of it, not too much, it's very hot. And we also have onions. So watch out and see how I am gonna make this sauce with egg. It's very good, so you can use it to eat anything. I'm making it and I'm gonna use it to eat cooking banana. So watch out. I'm just gonna cut it and I will parboil it before I will use it. So this is all of them. I'm just gonna wash it and boil it. It's gonna be cooked for just parboil. Let me say 5 minutes is enough to parboil this. Then I will chop it up. Then we'll start to make every other ingredient. This is the horse veggie, is already cooked. It's parboiled anyway. So now I'm just going to chop it so that I can make this sauce. So this is it. It's ready. So these are eggs that we are going to be using for the horse veggie. So we're going to use some of this egg. You can use as many as you want, but I'm going to be using just 4 of this egg. Now we are going to be making the sauce. These are olive oil. You can use any oil that you want. Right away, I'm just gonna add these eggs to this. So these are the eggs. Just gonna take it off. The next, I'm just going to add a little bit of oil. Then we add everything together, the onions, the pepper, and the tomatoes. It's time to add the osbejus. So right now, I'm just going to add a little bit of seasonings. A little bit of salt. So this is the sauce. It's almost ready. So right now I'm just going to add the eggs to it. It's ready and I have to serve it. This is it. It's ready and I have to serve it. You can eat it with anything. You can eat it with rice. You can eat it with bread. You can eat it with pita. You can eat it with plantain, cooked banana, anything you want, you can eat it with it. So right now, I am going to be eating this with cooked banana. Just going to add all this cooked banana to it. Then start to eat. This is it. So good. You can see how beautiful it is. Thank you all, and please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show. Bye for now.